This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chansey. Ready for immediate occupancy. Very nice open floor plan with living and family rooms, vaulted ceilings with look, vinyl flooring throughout main living areas. Large split master bedroom with large bathroom with shower and garden tub, also has a door to screen porch for future pool access. Inside laundry room off the kitchen for easy access. Kitchen is open to the family room with large breakfast bar and breakfast nook. Large screen porch overlooking the wooded backyard. Hurricane shutters, natural gas and community, and new gas hot water heater. New garage door opener and exterior keypad for secure entrance. Some neutral painting may be considered by buyer, but is move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.